Hey guys, just want to show you a Chevy 2500 that's going out today. We're really happy with the build, it's turned out fantastic. So on this is our Gen 2 tray and Gen 2 canopy. So we've got a 2200 bed, 2 meters wide with a full length canopy. So we run through the tray first. As standard, we've got your relocation of your filler points in your headboard as well as your filler for your water. You've got the 26 litre headboard tank built into that. With your American trucks or extra cab, single cabs, you do get a front toolbox in there. In this one, we've actually relocated the AdBlue filler too. And then the customer's option to upgrade to the slide out rear toolboxes on it. Now obviously with the 2500, you can imagine it's a fairly large canopy. So obviously, internal space, there's heaps of it. Oh my God, it's crazy. But simple basic fit out, we've just got a Dometic 80 litre fridge in there with a drawer with a bench. We got the tie rail up the top there. And this is just for the customer. He's going to obviously test it, fit it out as he sees fit and add things as he goes. As we come around the back here, you've got a tilting jerry can, you've got your adjustable ladder and your adjustable spare wheel carrier. The customer's option to go for an 80 litre under tray water tank as well. So you've got the two tanks plumbeted together. We've got the simple tap here with a 12 volt pump. And then his option for a 1200 under tray drawer. As always, the under tray drawers lock out. They do come with your lift up lid too. So obviously the lid works perfectly with your ladder there. They don't hit. Now on the back here, we've also relocated the reverse sensors. We've relocated the camera and all the blind spots into this the bar here too. So it's worked out really, really nice. Come around the other side, obviously internally this one's just empty, obviously you got your toolboxes as well. But what we've done up here is a heavy duty rack. So you've got uni strut fitted, obviously welded to the roof, the rack's bolted to that, so the customer can take this on and off as he sees fit. The rack also has uni strut in it, so tying things down, anyway, it's really easy. But there you go guys, very beautiful Chev 2500. Oh, don't forget, obviously colour matched toolbox lids and canopy doors. She's turned out really nice. I think customers are going to be happy. There you go guys, beautiful rig.